And with the coming in of a new political party in the state, and with the unfortunate developments in other political parties, we see that UDP is growing in strength, and from all indication it appears that UDP is going to lead the government in 2023. We are very positive about that, we are upbeat, and there is also this feel-good factor about the party as of now.
General Secretary ka UDP Dr. Gemino Mautho ulako baka UDP ka don ka jingkermen baka nyalam hi ka sorkar hau hajar arpulai namar bun ki emily ne Kiwei ki seng ki penkre banyakun na ka seng jongki habakren bikla pathai khobor u Dr. Gemino ulong ru bakumbal long menta ki khmi lenti bala kumnu kin yo kattu kat ningut ki emily na rilom garu ru ha ka election banwan.
See, we have 8 MLAs in the UDP, then we have 2 associate members, and then we also have from other political parties who have given their commitment to contest from the UDP. So we have another 6 or 7 MLAs, and even from Garo Hills also, who have given their commitment to contest from the UDP. So in that way, we can see that our numbers are increasing. That is not counting myself, not counting the other the MDCs who are also aspirants, who are also potential winners from the different constituencies who are with the UDP. So if we take all of them together, the MLAs, the non-MLAs, the sitting MDCs, I think we are going to do well. Sometimes it's very difficult to talk about the how things develop as far as the political scenario in the state is concerned. You were right in saying that earlier we were part and parcel of the government led by the Congress, and that is because we are now in a coalition era, no? And now we're talking about coalition politics only. But at that point of time, since our numbers are less, so we have to tag along with a political party which has the majority, right? But then this time around, see, but you have to remember, from 2013 till 2018, we remained steadfast in the opposition. We did not join the Congress in the last 5 years, from 2013 till 2018. But after 2018, when we could muster only 6 seats, again we had to join hands with other political parties led by the NPP government. But this time around, we feel that we don't want to be labelled as Team B of the Congress or Team B of the NPP. We want to be the Team A who will be leading the state in the year 2023. That is what we want, and we are working very hard, to mobilize the public support, and we hope that things are going to shaped in that way only, so that we can also provide the required leadership. From the party, we have constituted a manifesto, committee, and I'm the chairman of that manifesto committee, and we are doing this exercise now of preparing the manifesto of the party, and soon we will be bringing that to the public domain so that people will know exactly what we intend to do post 2023, because we need to have some kind of a direction for the state. The state, when we talk about the state for the last 50 years, I'm not saying that the state has not moved ahead, but there are a lot of things also that are happening in the state which are not up to the expectations of the people, okay? And so we see a downslide in some of these sectors. So according to me, I feel that the financial health of the state is of utmost importance. That is very, very important. We are a small state. We are not an income generating state. So we need to plug all the loopholes as far as revenue leakages is concerned, and management of whatever resources that we have, because we cannot entirely depend on the doles of the government of India all the time. So we need to start, the process of standing in our own feet. Of course, we need the support, but what is important is the management as far as the state, financial management in the state is concerned.